Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to make video about topic today. The first topic, rich friend or smart friend. I prefer choose smart friend because smart friend for me can mm, can help me if I don't understand, and smart friend always give me motivation or teach me, and um, always for me imagination to study. And the second topic, weekend in nature or weekend in mall. I prefer choose weekend in nature because my hobby is traveling. I like traveling, go to anywhere, and I always like um, hang around with my friend, hang around with my friends, because usually I spend time in my weekend. I ride bicycle together with my friends, and I hang out with my friends in cafe. And for me, weekend in nature is crucial than weekend in mall, because my opinion, if I weekend in mall, I don't have much money, because in there I think all thing is expensive, but therefore I choose weekend in nature because usually I uh, like go to beach, go to mountain, and go to place where make me enjoy. For example, in mountain and beach, because I like I like look at water in beach and in mountain. Usually I can take picture mountain with with good. And the third topic, solo travel or group travel. I think I prefer choose group group travel because my opinion, if group travel, I can gather with my friend, gather with my family, and usually group travel uh, can make me smile, because why I am smile, because I can gather with my friends and my families. The third, the fourth, the fourth topic, new laptop or new phone. I prefer choose new phone because I think new phone is very necessary than new laptop, because with phone we can get information from phone, get uh, information to be easy with phone, and I can take picture with phone because the event, I think the is that the even the unforgettable moment can can be can put in phone, in galleries, or in like that. I think with phone we can study in phone, and the seven topic. I want to good job or good friend. I prefer choose good friend because I think um, in here in basic English course I have many friends. There are my friends who truly understood me, who could hug me, and always support me. To my friends, thank you for everything. Forgive me for any mistake. And one day we will grow and success together. I mean, and with my friend, I I can I can I can be excited, and with my friend I think my life make my life happy. If I feel sad, I can share my story with my friends, and my friends uh, give me opinion, and therefore I think good friend is very crucial than good job, because uh, if good job, I think good job very necessary too, but my opinion, good friend is very crucial than good job. And next, reading book or listening to podcast. I prefer choose reading book because I think reading book uh, my hobby. My hobby is reading because with reading book we get knowledge, and we can understand new thing. And reading book usually I must reading book because with reading book I, for example, reading book English, I realize my English so bad. Therefore, I must reading book every day. I must study with reading book because my hobby is reading. If I feel bored, if I feel sad, if I want to sleep, I am reading book because reading book is my hobby. And next, horror movie or action movie. I prefer choose action movie because usually action movie uh, explain about love and I like it. I want to go to cinema. I watch action movie because um, every day I like watch movie uh, action movie, not horror movie, because I think horror movie make me afraid and so scary. In action movie, usually I can study in action movie because uh, every day I I watch movie English, action movie about love, but speak English. And next, learning from books or from every experience. I prefer choose learning from experience. When I was studying at the Islamic boarding school, I was very shy and deeply introvert person. I didn't talk much and rarely interacted with other students because I didn't feel comfortable in crowds. I didn't really pay any attention because my mindset just focused at the time was on learning. My intention was simply to seek knowledge, recite, and study the Quran. Even thought I was quiet, and I tried my best to improve myself and stay committed to achieve my dreams, to achieve my goals. Sometimes I thought that I didn't have any friends, but in my heart, I asked for myself, don't think about things that are not important. You won't be wise in that position. There will definitely be a time when we want to when we want to can be what there will definitely be a time when what we want can be achieved. That's where I grow strong position in my life to move forward. After graduated from Islamic boarding school, I'm now studying in basic English course. I especially learning English. When I was coming to Paris, I was very delighted because Paris is a fantastic dreams. I come to Paris because I want to learning English. But Learning English is not simple for me. So, learning English is complicated for me. But I believe if I try, I can do it. I believe myself. Whoever wants to try, I must be able to get it simple. And I thought learning English was complicated, but everyone can be achieved. It's simple and get fantastic dreams when we want to try and try again. I feel happy because I can learning English, but I hope I can speak English fluently and more confident. I study in Paris, specifically learning English. I am learning English in basic English course. Why? Because I want to improve my English. I realize my English so bad. Sometimes I feel sad. I could not speak English well. I made many mistakes and I was afraid that people would laugh at me. There were times I want to give up. One day, I got angry with myself. I thought, why cannot I speak English better? I studied every day. And then my teacher told me, don't be angry. Mistakes are part of the learning. After hearing that, I tried again and never gave up. Little by little, step by step, my English improved. I become more confident and start to enjoy every class. I'm now enjoying the learning process to achieve my dreams. I now can feel comfortable to learning. I'm now can feel comfortable about learning to achieve my dreams. Why? Because my teachers, my friends, and my family always support me and they make more enthusiastic about learning to achieve my dreams. In here, I have many friends. I have many friends who truly understood me, who could hug me and always support me. To my friends, thank you for everything. Forgive me for any mistakes. And to my teachers, thank you for everything. I can learn I can learn everything from my teachers. And I hope one day I and my friends will grow and success together. My teachers, please always for me because your pride is very necessary for me who you must be patient to me because I am realize my English. I am not good, you must be always teach me. And in my future, I have dreams for my future, and I always dream for my future. I will be brave, especially brave enough to face myself, to grow, to success, and to move forward. To my parents, always pray for me too, because one day I will be successful person in this world, and I want to be a child who meets your expectation. I want to be a teacher because teachers are the most necessary people in our life. I love sharing knowledge, and helping my students understand new things. I hope I can inspire students to love learning. So my journey teaches me to grow. I learn from every experience, and I will be keep to trying to be better. Therefore, I prefer choose learning from every experience because learning from every experience then crucial learning from books, in my opinion. And next, the topic unlimited money or unlimited time. I prefer choose unlimited time because for me time is very precious, because I I I'm not waste of time, because time is very precious, and usually I spend time to study, to pray, to uh, do activities better. And I think unlimited time, I must use time with good thing. And then unlimited time, I want to be a child who meets my parents' expectation, because I want my parents proud of me. And I think with my parents, with my family, I can be smile, I can be enjoy, and I like gather with my friends, with my parents. To unlimited money, I think if I have a lot of money, I want to be give my friends a lot of money, and I will give my money in my parents. I will give my money in poor people, and I want to build uh, Islamic boarding school, because in there I want to sharing knowledge, and I can study with my students, because I think in my future I want to be a teacher, and I want to build Islamic boarding school, because in there I think can make me happy with my students, and I can sharing knowledge about lesson. And the last topic, many brothers or many sisters. I prefer choose many brothers, because I think have many brothers is better than many sisters, because I don't have brothers. I have brothers. I have little brothers, because I want to have big brothers, but I become sisters to my little brothers, and I think my my many brothers uh, there are works and can give me a lot of money, and can help me if I need help. And I think many brothers is crucial than many sisters. And I am confused, because I think I go back and I want to tell you about my future. My future, I want to go to Madinah and Mecca with someone, with my husband in my life, because I think in there I want to pray and pray again, because I realize my sin so many, and in there I want to meet Rasulullah Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and I want to live in there with my husband, and then I want to tell you again about from every experience. I think my experience in Paris unforgettable moment in my life, because Paris has many story in here. explain about friends, explain about mistake, learn from mistakes, and learn from friends. I think time is enough. Thank you for attention. So please forgive me. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.